esteemed participant faculty members, dignitaries sitting on the dais, after dais, present here today. It's give me immense pleasure and honor that I stand before you in the valedictory ceremony of 1 week long ATAL sponsored FDP title Unlocking the Future, Exploring the Transformative Power of 5G and Beyond from 4th to 9th December, organized by Electronics Engineering Department, Rajki Engineering College, Sonbhadra. I, Dr. P.K. Verma, coordinator of this FDP, welcome you all on the inaugural, on the valedictory ceremony. As a gesture of honor and respect, I would like to invite volunteers to assist presenting batches to our esteemed dignitaries seated on the dais. Chief guest, Professor Manoj Kumar Sukla sir, guest of honor, Dr. D.K. Tripathi sir, and head of department, Dr. Himanshu Katiyar sir. Ah, Now I would like to request the coordinator of ATAL FDP, Dr. Himanshu Katiyar sir, kindly welcome our chief guest with a plant. Now I would like to request coordinator of this ATAL FDP, Dr. Himanshu Katiyar sir, kindly welcome our guest of honor, Dr. D.K. Tripathi sir. It is great honor and privilege to have amongst us our chief guest, Professor Manoj Kumar Sukla sir, and guest of honor, Dr. D.K. Tripathi sir. Now I would like to invite coordinator and head of department, Dr. Himanshu Katiyar sir, for welcome address.
Respected Chief Guest, Professor Manoj Shukla, Director Sir and esteemed patron of this FDP, Professor G.S. Thomas Sir. Unfortunately, he has some meeting, so he is not present here. Fellow Coordinator Dr. P.K. Verma, Organizing Committee of this FDP, HODs, faculty members, students, and esteemed participant of this FDP. A warm and heartful welcome to each and every one of you. The selection of FDP topic Unlocking the Future, Exploring the Transformative Power of 5G and Beyond is influenced by the investigating the effect of wireless technology on human society from the evolution of first generation which actually gives the freedom from the wire. Later on, various other generations evolve like second generation and third generation, which give us a freedom to communicate our data wirelessly. Now we are at the age of fourth generation, and we are seeing the magic of the just coming fifth generation is just coming, and we see that various new applications will be evolved like enhanced mobile broadband. By that you can achieve a higher data rate, and besides it there is a ultra reliable low latency services like drone communication and all, and massive machine type communication where density of the devices and users are very high, means millions of devices in a square kilometers. So these applications actually give a impact on human society, and whole the scenario will be changed, job scenario and everything will be changed by that. So for exploring the power of upcoming wireless technology, we have invited distinguished guests from the reputed institute have been graciously invited to lead the theoretical session. Notable presence including Dr. Amit Kumar Singh, invited from IIT Patna, explored the possibility of 4G and 5G networks working on high frequency band, and usefully discuss its challenge. In 5G and 6G, there is a band of millimeter wave and terahertz band. So challenge is that they communicate, they actually travel at a very far, short distance. Within a room, our signal get faded. So Amit Kumar Singh explored its possibility and its implementation in real scenario. After that, Professor Shekhar Verma from Triple IT Allahabad discussed the adverse effect of environment during signal propagation and told the new techniques to estimate the channel state information to balance it. Channel state information, basically signal actually travel in a wireless media, and due to the adverse effect, channel state information change. So it should be available at the transmitting end or receiving end. It is necessary. Without uh, its information, it is difficult to communicate because the phase of the signal get changed and it is difficult to recover it. After that, Dharmeen Dikshit from MNIT Allahabad threw a light on the measures to reduce the problem of signal fading in wireless systems. As we know that our channel is not a bounded channel and signal may propagate and reflect from various scatterers. So at the receiving end, we get the multiple copies. Sometimes they are constructively combined and sometimes it may be destructively combined. So effective reception of signal get distorted and it fluctuate with respect to time. So Dharmendra Dikshit actually focus on the spatial diversity techniques so that this adverse effect can be undue. Another expert invited from same institute, MNIT Allahabad, Dr. Anand Sharma, talked about the cutting edge technologies of 5G antenna from which signal are transmitted. So he discussed various structures and dielectric materials uh, and also some active component that can be added in antenna. So the effectiveness of that antenna can be enhanced, and he discussed various designs of that. Dr. Atul Kumar from IIT BHU Varanasi discussed the benefits of the combining sensing and communication technology simultaneously for the 6G revolution and the effort being made by their research groups. So he basically discussed sensing light radar communication, it sense the target, and communication, its information. So both things can be do simultaneously, so we can jointly optimize various parameters there. So he elaborate very accidentally. From the same institute, means IIT BHU, Dr. Sanjeev Sharma highlighted the trends of telecom industry that are now going to adopt a new non-orthogonal multiple access technique with successively cancellation scheme instead of orthogonal multiple access technique to increase the spectrum utilization. He basically discussed about the new technology that is non-orthogonal multiple access technique with successive cancellation of interference. So basic motto is that spectrum is very precious and natural resource, and he focused on its effective utilization in coming 4G, 5th generation and 6th generation technology. After that, we have invited expert from the industry from Vividian Technology, Mr. Nitesh Pradhan and S. Muthi. The participants were given a practical training by building their own network of 5G and beyond, and doing various types of experiments on it. So we have actually USRP, and from that USRP we can program and tune various parameters, and by that he has some virtual sims also. So he demonstrated, firstly they generated a 5G signals and perform a various activity whatever we are doing from our real mobile set. They have done that type of activity, and he demonstrated it, and our participants actually get the practical exposure of that. At last, Dr. Sanjay Agrawal from Government Engineering College, Ambedkar Nagar, highlighted the positive impact of national education policy on Indian educations. The distinguished guest, chief guest of the program in closing ceremony, Professor Manush Shukla sir, has discussed about the self-realization, so and discuss various activities of wireless technology, uh, and benefited give the benefit to our participants. We trust that all participants have active contributions of discussions, making collaboration with fellow attendees and extracting valuable insight from our esteemed speakers. Their extensive experience and profound experience shall serve as a beacon of guidance on this educational journey. This FDP undoubtedly enrich the knowledge of our attendees in field of wireless communication. We extended our gratitude to stakeholders of this FDP for their support and present our wishes upon all the participants for their forthcoming endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Himanshu sir, the coordinator and head of Department of Electronics Engineering Department. Now I would like to invite Dr. D.K. Tripathi sir, guest of honor of this 1 week ATAL FDP, kindly bless us with word of wisdom.
Good afternoon to all. Respected Chief Guest Professor Manoj Shukla sir, Coordinator of the FDP, Dr. Himanshu Katiyar, Deputy Coordinator PK Verma, faculty members from this and other institutes. It is a matter of great pride that this in the month of December we have approved two FDPs simultaneously on the same date. One is from the electronics engineering, another in the mining engineering department. And we initially we were feeling difficulty how to organize two FDPs simultaneously. But ultimately, from the starting day, we have reached to the final day of this FDP with the dedication of our staff members, faculty members, and participants. We have successfully completed this FDP as per norms. Uh, our participants have shown great dedications. We have participants from the different states. Actually, this topic on the unlocking future of the exploring transformative power 5G and beyond is very much relevant, and it is one of the emerging topic in the wireless communication field. Basically, I think that right now many of the people have not covered all the 4G standards. So before going to 5G, all the participants should see the standards followed by the 4G, unlock the 4G before going to the 5G. 5G is coming, but it is in the research phase. So 4G and 5G both are we have to explore simultaneously. This FDP is organized in very well way, and it is a grand success. And I congratulate to all the participants to that they have shown their keen interest, and they have given time, and they have learned a lot, and they have attended this FDP sincerely. So I hope that they will what they have gained here, they will explore outside in their campus where they work. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your word of wisdom. We are truly privileged and honored to have with us today a distinguished personality who has accomplished and expertise have eliminated the academic recom. Please join me extending a warm welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Professor Manu Shukla, sir. Manu Shukla, sir, have uh, have uh, have done a lot of work in the field of wireless networks, wireless communication, 5G and beyond, and have been an inspiration to many. His presence here today fills us with a great pride. I now kindly request Professor Shukla sir to come forward and bless us with his enlightened words and guidance or remarks. Sir.
Thank you. Dr. D.K. Tripathi ji uh, and Dr. Katyar, other faculty members, including Dr. Patel, and dear participants. It's really a privilege to me to come here to see with you during this FDP, which has been basically based on the soul of 5G technologies. And I hope that such FDP means faculty development program, which is basically developing the capabilities of the faculties, whatever they are having. Developing means the capabilities are already there inside you. Only those are being developed so that you can have the benefit of those. Basically, the plants are there in the field, but once they are not developed, you cannot have the fruits. So for having the fruits, those plants has to be developed. Such programs, wherever you come, you develop those capabilities by which you can get the fruit. So that's why these FDPs are important. If you come here, you develop your capabilities and you get the fruit, you will be benefited. And not you only, the person who is also wandering hither and thither, he will also get the shadow at least in the sunshine when he cannot even walk properly with you. So that's why FDP is not only beneficial to those persons who are coming to FDP, but also to those persons who are living aside those people. So that's why these FDPs and conferences, they are very much beneficial in terms of personality development, in terms of career development, and that's why I always support it. And by physical meeting to each other, whatever the problems we are facing in our research, that can also be discussed. The online mode cannot be a substitute for this. I don't think. Online mode may be used whenever there is a problem in meeting offline. But whenever and wherever it is possible for you people to go for such FDPs, please take the permission from your respective head of departments or administrative heads and go there and meet those people, learn something new. Because if you will learn, you will cultivate and develop your inside your merits, and you will get ultimately results which will blossom your future, and also it will enrich the persons who are living with you in your family, in your college, in your institute, in the society, wherever. So with these words, I wish a bright future for you, wherever you are getting the fruits of such activities by developing your capabilities. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for Now, I would like to request Dr. Vijay Pratap sir kindly present a shawl and memento to our chief guest, Professor Manoj Shukla sir. Sir, please give a round of applause for him. Now, I would like to request Head of Department, Electrical Engineering Department, Dr. Rajkumar Patel sir, kindly present a shawl and memento to Dr. D.K. Tripathi sir. Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would like to request Mr. Sikandar, sir, kindly present a memento to our head of department and coordinator of this ATAL FDP, Himanshu Katiyar, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Now, it's time to for vote of thanks. Being a coordinator of this ATAL FDP, I propose vote of thanks. Honorable Director, sir, Professor G.S. Tomar, sir, and patron of this ATAL FDP, Chief Guest, Professor Manoj Shukla, sir, Guest of Honor, Dr. D.K. Tripathi, sir, Coordinator of this ATAL FDP, Dr. Himanshu Katiyar, sir, all the deans, heads of department, faculty members, and distinguished guests and dear participants. It is my honor and privilege to get an opportunity to propose vote of thanks on this auspicious occasion on the behalf of Electronics Engineering Department organizing team of ATAL sponsored FDP and my own behalf. I, Dr. P.K. Verma, coordinator of this ATAL FDP, convey extreme grateful to our honorable guest of honor, Dr. D.K. Tripathi sir, who, despite of busy schedule, have given valuable time for this FDP and has been constant source of motivation for all of us. Further, I extend my deep regards and heartily thanks to Registrar and Head of Department CSCD Dr. Amod Kumar Tiwari sir and coordinator of this FDP Dr. Himanshu Katiyar sir for their constant support and guidance of conducting this ATAL FDP. I would like to thank organizing committee members Dr. Rajkumar Patel sir, Head of Department Electrical Engineering Department, Dr. Bhavna Arora, Head of Department Applied Science, Dr. Vijay Pratap Singh sir, Professor in charge REC Incubation and Innovation Center, Dr. Avinav sir, Dr. Anurag sir, Dr. Sikandar sir, and Mr. Deepak and Prasant Pandey sir for this FDP for their support, encouragement, and guidance. And my heartiest and deepest thanks to all the faculty members who have guided us time to time to make this FDP successful. I would like to thank all distinguished participants who have joined this FDP from distant places. Further, special thanks to are extended to the staff members, especially Indrajit, Rajkumar Patel, Vijay, Kundanji, and all. An event like this cannot happen over a night. The wheels start rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and birds of eye. For details, I have fortunate enough to backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues of Rajki Engineering College Sonbhadra who know their jobs very well. I cannot thank everyone enough for their involvement and their willingness to take on the completion of task. Last but not the least, I thanks to Almighty God for enlightening us. Thank you so much. Now, huh, now I would like to request the participant for their feedbacks. So, ma'am, Kavita ma'am, please.
I am Kavita Sarkar. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So, coming from Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology in Kolkata, and first of all, I would like to thank Dr. P.K. Verma because he has published that announcement in a group, and I saw it. And then I tried to apply in the ATAL Academy portal, and it happened. And then I would like to thank my own college principal and OIC because exam is going on, and they gave me the NOC and to come here, and also the tickets were confirmed the coming one. So everything was smooth. Then coming here, I saw the environment. It was nice, wonderful, amazing, the environment, the nature, which attracted me. And serenity is there, peace is there, a very wonderful place to learn and teach. Then, after entering in the campus, the hospitality, the food, and then the staying, everything provided by the organizers, especially thanks to Director Sir, Rajkiya Engineering College Sonbhadra, then Registrar Sir, and then again Dr. P.K. Verma, Dr. Himanshu Katiyar Sir, Dr. D.K. Tripathi Sir, and all the faculties from different departments. And I felt so comfortable that the first day Bhavna ma'am told, ma'am, please feel free, comfortable staying here, because for research and learning, the first two things we need, that is food and staying. Both these two things are provided so nicely that I was able to concentrate myself the whole day, staying and listening and learning. So I think the purpose for which I have come here, it's successfully fulfilled, and due to for all of these arrangements and initiatives taken by the organizers. So thank you to all of you from my side, and it is also get privilege to listen to you, Professor Shukla sir. So I am prepared to go back and to teach my students what I have learned here, especially that lab view. It was wonderful that from BVDN the persons came, and hands-on practicals were going on. That is fully done. The new things, lots of new things I have learned. And communication, wireless networking communication was my favorite subject always, but I didn't get time. But this time, during 6 days, I have listened. I think that now, sometimes I think going back to the guest room, that this is the space where I can contribute. But it is very difficult because I am not from the electronics background. But this FDP inputs in my brain such a way that myself also thinking that is that the area that I can contribute a little bit. That's amazing. Okay, thank you. Nice to meet you.
बस एक
ये वैसे महिलाओं के मामले में तो ठीक नहीं, हम लोग बोलने में तो अच्छे होते हैं।
So first, can I speak without mic? Okay, okay. First of all, I would like to thank you, Dr. P.K. Verma sir, for organizing such a nice FDP on a very recent and current topic, that is unlocking the future, exploring the transformative power of 5G and beyond. And I would like to thank Professor G.S. Thomas sir, and DKT Deven sir, Himanshu sir, and all the eminent speaker who gave the various knowledge of about 5G and 6G beyonds. And I would also like to thank my director, my HOD, for allowing us to come here and attend the FDP. Thank you, sir.
Professor Manoj Kumar Sukla sir, and he was director in my college, राजकीय इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज कन्नौज. तो मैं सर का बहुत बहुत, सर ने बहुत कुछ हम लोगों को सिखाया और हम लोग उसको यूज भी कर रहे हैं आज के टाइम पे. सर ने बहुत कम समय में बहुत ज़्यादा बातें बताई आप लोगों को. हम लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा उन्होंने प्रोत्साहित किया और हम लोग बहुत सारे काम करने भी लगे हैं उस डायरेक्शन में. और निश्चित तौर से भविष्य में भी सर का साथ मिलेगा और अच्छा करेंगे. और पहली बात तो जितने भी सेशन यहाँ पर एक्सपर्ट ने यहाँ पर दिए हैं, बताएं हम लोगों को, सारे सेशन बहुत ही इन्फॉर्मेटिव थे. एंड हर सेशन में कुछ ना कुछ सीखने के मिला. उसके बाद लास्ट में सर ने जो है हर एरिया में, मतलब इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग नहीं बल्कि हर इंजीनियरिंग का एरिया सर ने बताया और हर एरिया में कितना हम पीछे हैं, कैसे हम काम कर सकते हैं. और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है कि सर ने कहा कि हम डेवलप नहीं करना है, हमें आइडियाज़ को भी, सबसे पहले आइडियाज़ को यहाँ पर डेवलप करना पड़ेगा. आइडियाज़ अगर हमें रहेगा तभी हम आगे उस पर काम कर सकेंगे. और सर ने कहा कि हम अपने आइडियाज़ को भी पेटेंट करा सकते हैं. पहले हम लोगों को भी नहीं मालूम था कि हम लोग अपने आइडिया को पेटेंट करा सकते हैं, कि पूरी तरह से डेवलप कर लें, उसके बाद हम पेटेंट की तरफ जाते थे. तो आइडियाज़ को पेटेंट करने का जो है अब हम लोग कर सकते हैं और हमारे यहाँ कई लोगों ने किया भी है और अब इस प्रोसेस में हम लोग काम भी कर रहे हैं. तो आप लोग प्लीज़ अपने आइडियाज़ को पहले सोचिए और कैसे उसको पेटेंट कराना है. कुछ ना कुछ रहेगा, ये हमेशा मिलेगा आप लोगों को. तो और अल्टीमेटली सर का अरेंजमेंट, कटियार सर और यहाँ रजिस्ट्रार सर और हमारे गाइड सर प्रोफेसर विजय विजय
That is the incubation center. What you said, that is going on. That there is a negative part here. It's developing. It's going on, and I have seen that in my eyes. The lots of started programs started, and already they have got the fruits. Right? It's going on. Sir, you can sometimes also visit. I'm very much pleased listening and seeing that.
Any other participants? Thank you so much on the behalf of coordinator of this ATAL FDP to all the participants. Definitely you learn something from here, and please get benefited to yourself and others, and pass these messages or this information to others also, and contribute in research if you can. So thank you so much all the participants. Now it's time for national anthem. We stand united to celebrate the pride. Kindly request everyone to rise as are prepared to pay homage to our nation with the readiness of our national anthem. जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उछल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे. Thank you so much to all of you. Honorable Chief Guest, Guest of Honor, and head of department. I would like to invite all the dignitaries, faculty members, and participants for lunch.